This is a used 2008 Ford Escape. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 3-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, premium rims, auto-dimming mirrors, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power seats, roof rails. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Mike Dorian Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 35900 Gratiot Avenue, Clinton Township, Michigan 48035.